What happened there? Scooter. Good braking. The only thing that we really have to point out here, we get distracted by this dum-dum right here, okay? That's pretty much what's going to cause the whole sequence of events. That's really what's going to cause a lot of this stuff. But what I want you guys to see is that this guy is over here on the line. We had a car going this way. Look at our space cushion. We don't have a very good space cushion. We have okay line of sight. I can kind of see around this right here. I can see what's in here. So we have okay line of sight. So if all of a sudden this person slammed the brakes, which it looks like they're doing right now, what are we going to do? Are we going slow enough to where we can slam the brakes too and not dump the bike and do progressive brake pressure? I don't want to say slam. I should take that back. Can we do good enough progressive brake pressure to stop before colliding with this? Can we? If you don't think your skill is good enough, put yourself over here so that if something happens, this person slams the brakes and you maybe make it to like right here, you'll still be safe. So always, always, always think about your total stopping distance. So that's my biggest concern. This is a distraction. Focus on your ride. Focus on the threats. Okay? Put yourself in a better position. He did a great job with his fundamental skills, though. So right here, if you weren't paying attention, would you be able to stop in time from here? Would you be able to? If not, you have another option. Exactly what he did. So he actually stopped in time and then he moved out of the way to get himself, because who knows, maybe the person behind us isn't paying attention and we stop like right here and they go bam, crash right into us. And now we're sandwiched and killed. That's a lot of the problems that, or a lot of the lane splitting is supposed to be a solution for that. There's some other issues I have with that, but I think just naturally protecting yourself by being off to the side is a good option. You don't have to lane split every situation. I think finding that escape path and getting there is probably the better one in this situation, but he did a great job. Watch. And then he looks in his mirror right there, but look how close we got. What happens if he wasn't paying attention and it was just a quarter of a second more? Like if he was looking this way and then a quarter second he recognized, he's super quick. But if he applied that brake a quarter second too late, it would have been a collision. So that's why you have to pay attention. That's why you need to put yourself in a good position. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.